Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fun with Mimi. So viewers, today I have a beautiful, amazing, stylish, colorful quilling paper art ideas and I hope you like it. You can see it is very beautiful and interesting ideas, unique and special quilling paper art. You can see more videos, then subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Different paper art ideas and different quilling paper ideas, quilling paper art for family, for kids, for beginner and other. So viewers, please like my video and share your friends and family members. So take care, bye bye, see you soon.